last vehicle requirements are the EEV. That's why we have a good feeling about Scania, the ethanol truck. The Scania fleet management systems support our drivers.
We have a very good contact with Scania.
We're working now right away with the 4th generation.
The fleet management system helps us to reduce the amount of kilometers we drive. Together with the fleet management system, we also have integrated GPS. It helps the driver to find the new locations. And we also use we use the data to educate our drivers how to use the truck more efficient. At the same time, we also use the fleet management system to inform our clients what the status is of our shipments, so they can use it to track and trace their shipments in our TMS module. We are very interested to see what the developments are for renewable fuels. This is one of the reasons why we want to have the first ethanol truck in Europe. For Rotra, it's an advantage to have an environmentally friendly product where our clients can see that we think about the environment and think about the future of our next generation. Besides that, it's important to know that in 50 years' time, a lot of the natural resources we might run out of them. And to start working with new resources, this might put us in the driving seat for the future to use new kinds of fuel.
On this moment it's not so easy to buy it, so we will import it at our own together with Scania from Sweden to Holland.
We need local government and also international governments to work with companies like Scania to improve that.
The governments need to reduce the taxes on substances like ethanol.
If there's less tax, then people will use the alternative fuel, and this will be good for the environment and for the future generations. We ordered a new ethanol truck to make sure we get used to the latest developments, and we also want to work with the best and the newest products. One of the important reasons for us to buy this truck is the reduction of CO2, which is good for the environment, of course, and also to get more knowledge about new fuels for us to use as a competitive advantage in the future. In this sense, we always try to have 3 items. We want to have an advantage for Rotra in the sense of cost. We want to have an advantage for the client, also in the sense of cost, and we want to have an advantage for the environment, which is good for all of us. We always try to be the best in the industry, and what is very important in this sense is that you make sure that the day-to-day things, the normal things, are organized in a very efficient way.
That's made us a winning company.